Hello everyone. Now I have to see one more problem based on physical variable method. See the diagram, given diagram, obtain the state model of the given electrical network in the standard form. See the electrical network. First check how many components they have given. Only ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಇದಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ei of t input, right? L1 and here C is there. Okay, through this L1 current flowing here is I1. Okay, next voltage across the capacitor is given as a Vc of t, that is C indicates voltage across the capacitor. Next L2 is given here, current across this inductor is I2. Next resistance is given R2. Okay, so whatever, if it is not given, you have to take on whatever output is there. Drop is across the R2, that is our output. Drop across the last component, that is R2, that is our output. They have given here E0 of t. E0 of t is our output Y of t, right? So we have to select here first components. L1 is there, C is there, L2 is there. How many components? 2 inductors and 1 capacitor. So 3 components are there. Don't consider resistor. 3 components are there, L1, L2 and C. So there are 3 variables exist in the network. Okay, so 3 variables, 1 variable for L1, next variable for the C, next variable for the L2, right? So x1, x2, x3, right? x1, x2, x3. So which is x1 here? X1 is nothing but current flowing through the L1, that is I1. Okay, I1 current flowing through the L1, this is our x1. Next, current I2 flowing through the L2, that is our x2. I2 is our x2. Next, voltage across the capacitor, that is third variable. So x3 is nothing but Vc of t. See here, input U of t is what? Ei of t. Next, output is E0 of t. Therefore, 3 components are there, x1, x2, x3 exist. So x1 is nothing but I1, that is through the L1. X2 is equal to I2, that is through L2. Next, x3 is equal to Vc, that is across the capacitor. 3 variables exist. Next, so 3 variables exist here. So we have to write 3 state equations, x1 dot, x2 dot and x3 dot. So where you will get x1 dot, x2 dot and x3 dot? Illi idukka KVL apply madidre L into di by dt ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. di by dt is nothing but our x1 dot. ಇಲ್ಲಿ L2 into di by dt ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x2 dot ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ dv by dt is equal to I by C ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will get here x3 dot. Okay, this is very simple concept. Don't make it confuse. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. KVL ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, replace voltage and current by x1, x2, x3 variables, right? So first apply KVL here. Already I said don't confuse positive and negative sign. Okay, see whatever input voltage ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ is equal to total drop. Ei of t is equal to L1 into di by dt plus Vc, right? See here, Ei of t is equal to L1 di1 by dt plus Vc. So this is KVL is over, right? Next, see what happened here. Ei of t means input L1 into di1 by dt means what? I1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1 ಅದ. di1 by dt ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x1 dot. Okay, plus Vc means what? x3. Replace all terms. Okay, so you will get here x1 dot is equal to 1 by L1 u of t minus 1 by L1 x3 of t. Getting? So this is our first equation, first state equation, x1 dot, equation number 1. Write it. Next, go for the here second network here. Apply KVL to the second loop. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ voltage, this is our first voltage, input voltage is equal to total drop. So Vc of t, Vc is equal to drop across L2 plus drop across the R2. Okay, Vc is equal to L2 into di by dt, that is current is I2, therefore L2 into di2 by dt plus I2 into R. Current here is I2 into R2 drop across the resistance. Okay, so Vc is equal to L2 into di2 by dt plus R2 into I2. So here, right here, Vc is equal to, okay, so replace Vc ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು x3, L2 di2 by dt, I2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು x2, sorry, x2, differentiation means x2 dot plus I2 into R2. I2 means our x2. Therefore, rearrange equation, write it in the state equation. x2 dot is equal to this equation. This is the second state equation. This is equation number 2. See here. So, for L1, L2, you got here x1 dot and you got here x2 dot. And what is this x3 here? Vc. So, how to write x3 dot for the x3? x3 is Vc. Already I said that capacity ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅದರದ voltage is equal to dV by dt. dV by dt is equal to I by C. Okay, I by C. So, dVc by dt is equal to current divided by capacitor. ಇಲ್ಲಿ current ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? See here, this is the what? Incoming current. This is the what? Incoming. See, this is following like this incoming and this is like this incoming. So, if you take here node, ಇಲ್ಲಿ incoming ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ reverse direction ದವ. So, you have to take how much current flowing here? Difference of these two current flowing through the capacitor. Okay, therefore current flowing through this capacitor is what? I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2 flowing through the capacitor. Getting right? So ಇದು ಈ direction ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಈ direction flow ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. So at this node, how much current flowing through this capacitor? I1 minus I2. Right? So this is the what? Right here. dV by dt is equal to current divided by C. I1 minus I2 divided by C. Okay. So I1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x1. I2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x2. dVc by dt ಅಂದ್ರೆ x3 dot. So we got x3 dot is equal to this equation. This is what our third state equation. Remember capacitor ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ state equation ಆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ state equation ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದಾಗ differentiation of capacitor voltage is equal to current flowing through that divided by capacitor. So you will get state equation for that voltage, right? Means capacitor. So rearrange all three equations, x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot. Okay, write in the matrix form. x1 dot is equal to, there is no x1 0 into x1, there is no x2 0 into x2 minus 1 by L1 x3 plus 1 by L1 u of t. Okay, next x2 dot is equal to, there is no x1 term 0 minus R2 by L2 x2 1 by L2 x3 plus no input. x3 dot is equal to 1 by C x1 minus 1 by C x2 0 into x3, no x3 term plus input is 0. So x2 dot is equal to, you got this equation. So output andre ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿವಿ? That is E naught of t, voltage across the resistance. E naught of t is what here? See in this diagram, see E naught of t andre ಏನು? Voltage drop across the resistance. ಎಷ್ಟು the voltage drop across the resistance? I2 into R2. So I2 into R2 is drop across the resistance. Okay, therefore here you have to write. So you have to write here E naught of t is equal to drop across resistance I2 into R2. I2 is nothing but x2, x2 into R2. So therefore y is equal to, there is no x1 term 0, x2 coefficient is R2, there is no x3 0. Okay, and there is no input, D matrix is 0 here. Okay, so this is your second problem.